Detecting and resolving common mail server errors. In today's video, we'll cover how to detect and resolve common mail server errors using log analysis. Let's get started. Understanding mail server logs. Mail server logs are essential for diagnosing issues with your email service. Common log locations are /var/log/mail.log, var, log, maillog, or specific logs for postfix, sendmail, and other mail servers. Common mail server errors and how to detect them. 1. Authentication failures. Authentication failures are a common issue. They occur when users fail to log in due to incorrect credentials. You can detect these errors by searching for authentication failure in your logs. This command will list all instances where authentication failed, helping you identify potential security issues or user errors. Connection timeouts. Connection timeouts occur when the server takes too long to respond. This can be due to network issues or server overload. Detect these by searching for timeout in your logs. This helps you identify when and why timeouts are occurring, so you can address the underlying issue. Relay access denied. Relay access denied errors occur when a user attempts to send an email through your server without proper permissions. Find these errors by searching for relay access denied. This command helps you track down unauthorized attempts to use your server as a relay. Spam detection and rejection. Mail servers often reject emails identified as spam. Detect these rejections by searching for keywords like spam or rejected. This command shows instances where emails were rejected due to spam detection, helping you fine-tune your spam filters. DNS Lookup Failures. DNS lookup failures can prevent emails from being delivered. Detect these errors by searching for host or domain not found. This helps you identify issues with DNS lookups, which can be critical for email delivery. By regularly analyzing your mail server logs, you can quickly detect and resolve common errors, ensuring smooth email operations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.